Hello. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can cite reference an article or journal from the UK Vet resource. Using one of the previous examples in these video tutorials, on the Not Strictly True But Does It Matter article page, you will notice a Tools button on screen. If you just click on that, a drop-down menu will appear on the middle of the screen, giving you a few options. Just click on the Download Citations option. If you scroll down the page and just underneath the Download Article Citation Data button, you will find the only way you can cite reference this article is by selecting the Download Article Citation Data For option. So what you have to do is just highlight that text and then just hit copy and then finally paste it into your assignment.